Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yam soup. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh yams, peeled and cubed, along with 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of creamy coconut milk on hand. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil and your preferred spices for seasoning. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute more until fragrant. This crucial step creates a wonderful aromatic base for your rich and flavorful yam soup. With your aromatics ready, it's time for the yams. Add the cubed yams to the pot and stir them well to coat them with the fragrant mixture. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, making sure the yams are mostly submerged. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the yams are perfectly fork tender. Almost done, carefully transfer the cooked soup to a blender and process until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. If you prefer, an immersion blender works perfectly right in the pot. Stir in 1 cup of rich coconut milk, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve your warm, comforting yam soup immediately, perhaps garnished with fresh cilantro or parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.